Hello, my name is Colonel Sanders, and today we're going to look for another pet, right? Meow. You can talk. Hey! You can talk. Oh, yeah, sorry. Yeah,
Chicken
we're gonna...
Nugget!
Yes, Chicken Nugget? Are you just...
I'm dying!
You are?
Yes!
I'm a cat, so... You're real.
Thanks for saving me.
Yay!
Yay!
But yeah, weren't we looking for a cow? Are we looking for a cow?
Yeah.
Okay, we're gonna look for a cow. So, I don't know what cow we're looking for. It is the most magical cow you would ever think of.
Oh, wow, it is? That's cool.
It has magical powers, where it could summon you anywhere you would ever want. Okay, now we're gonna go look for him. He's about 10,000 miles away.
10,000 miles?
It took us 3 miles to look for this guy.
Hey, we're gonna go 20,000 miles.
I'm
Yes.
saluting.
Chicken Nugget. We gotta go 25,000 miles.
Oh my god.
To find this magical
cow.
Well, okay, I guess we gotta do it. Does anyone have like a multiple mobile or something crap like that?
I do. Follow me, my precious. Now, today we are going to fly 25,000 miles. Put this in the change station. Alright, that should do it. Anyone else want any snacks? There's gonna be about 3 minutes. Anyone? Chicken Nugget. You want a chicken nugget? Chicken Nugget.
Yes, please.
Okay. Okay.
Give me.
Okay. It's gonna only be 3 minutes, so it shouldn't be that long.
Well, I'm gonna be hungry, so give me chicken nugget.
Okay. Everybody gets ready. In 1, 2, 3. Ow, that hurts so much. Hey, are you guys awake? Hello? You guys awake? Hello? Grimmy,
What, cat?
it's Sylvester.
Oh, yeah, sorry.
Hi, I'm awake.
My back. My back. My back.
My
What
leg
do you want,
hurts.
Sylvester? Oh, my butt. There's a big, giant teddy bear right there. Everybody, please run.
Hi guys, how are you? My name's E-Bear.
You're telling me that you are talking big teddy bear. You just want hugs.
Yeah. My name's E-Bear.
We need to hug him. Fair point. Okay, let's hug you. Yay.
Hug! I love you.
Ow! Everybody, please.
Okay.
Hug! Hug! I love all of you.
The deed's done. Can we pass through now?
Ow, ow.
Can we pass through to see the magical
Wait, I'm
cow?
gonna cut you.
Ow. Ooh.
Can we go see the magic?
Oh, I'm stepping back here. Can we go see the magical bear now, big teddy bear?
Okay, it's actually a cow.
Oh, yeah, right. All right, Susan. We finally made it to this stupid magical cow place. It was my idea in the first place. Where is he anyway? Is he in here?
I'm right here.
What, do you have a name or anything?
Yeah, my name's Hamil Hamal the cow.
Odd name?
I know, right?
Uh,
I'm from India.
Oh, okay, well, I heard that you're magical. What are magical things you can do?
I can march for more chicken. Wait a minute. After boom, boom, boom.
Ow. Okay, well, I heard you could do something else than just that. I mean, you could teleport us anywhere you want.
Yeah, but first you have to do boom, boom, boom.
Ow. So we just do this, say what we want to put. Take Grimmy, Sylvester, and Chicken Nugget, and Barry, I think that's his name.
E-Bear.
Oh yeah, E-Bear. And take us all to our castle, including Chicken Cow, Himil Hamal Cow. Take us.
Hamahi meal cow.
Pew. 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 Why did you have to come down, E-Bear?
Because I love hugs.
Hugs! Just please cut to the other thing, please. And get about you.
My name is Hamil the cow.
Okay. Where are you from?
India.
Okay, what's your magical powers?
Boom, boom, boom.
So you bang that and you can go to anywhere you want to.
Boom, boom, boom. Yes.
Okay. So, let's meet everyone. So, this is
Okay.
Grimmy.
Hi, Grimmy.
I am Colonel Sanders, right?
Hi.
This is Chicken Nugget. This is Sylvester.
Colonel!
This is Sylvester our cat. My back hurts so much. And this is E-Bear. You already know him because he's your guard person, right?
Yes.
Well, thanks for
Boom,
watching
boom,
this
boom.
video. And
Hey! Any of you wear leather?
Never mind about that. Thank you for watching our video. Bye.